Peace of mind and body. 3. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Many people set the standards for their happiness according to the rules and desires of other people. The problem with this mentality is that one will become sad or happy depending on the desires of people. If they persist on this attitude, then they reach a level where they love, hate, give, withhold, and act according to the desires of people. This attitude will only lead to overall sadness in one's life, as truly pleasing others is unattainable. People are not pleased with Allah, the Exalted. When He granted them countless blessings, how can they possibly be pleased with people who innately gave them nothing? So living with the attitude of always aiming to please others will only result in sadness. A Muslim should therefore strive to obtain the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, which is easily obtainable. This person will love, hate, give and withhold for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, which is an aspect of perfecting one's faith. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4681. This is only achieved through sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions and being patient with destiny. This will lead to true happiness in both worlds, and therefore it is the key to happiness.